Hello everyone, welcome back to another vlog. Guys, today is Saturday. Like, this Saturday is the most like relaxing Saturday ever, like seriously. So we are just chilling, but the most interesting part of it is that like we received our Niger foodstuffs today direct from Nigeria. So one of my husband friend went home, so fortunately, yeah, my brother-in-law and my co-wifey gave him like some food stuff to bring to us, and the thing just landed like now because my husband is just coming back from work, and then he went to his friend's house to bring it. So my husband just arrived now. So I said, okay, I'm going to, unbox it with you guys. Let's see. I don't even know what is inside. Let's see what is inside, guys. I'm super excited to do the unboxing. Like, yeah. Like, we like food here. I like food. Like, everybody like food, especially when you have like everything in your freezer. That's Niger stuff. So even for you to cook is so easy. You'd be so excited to cook because you have everything intact in your freezer. So right now we'll be going to do the unboxing together, guys. We're going to do it outside because even that bag, as I smell it, that bag is full stuff. Now I'm going to be unboxing it outside, guys. This part outside is cold. I'm going to cover myself so that I will not get cold, guys. Okay, so let's go and do the unboxing. Let's go. Okay, are you going with me?
Yeah.
Let me go and do the unboxing with Oge. Okay, we are going outside. You have to wear your jacket, okay? Okay.
Yeah.
Wanna make it till morning. Yes, guys. So, guys, we are outside right now, but the lighting is going to be changing like every time because outside it's kind of sunny, but it's cold as well. Like, it's very cold here, and the sun is so shining. So the light might be changing because the sun will come and then go. So let's get started for our unboxing. So this is the Ghana must go that this thing came with. Niger. When you see this bag, you know that it's direct from Niger. Yeah. So let's go ahead and open it. Oh, see what is there, guys. Let me show you. Oh.
Can I see?
So let's start bringing it one after the other. Okay, let's bring everything out before we start opening it. Okay. Okay, be careful because this one is it has one kind of odor. So it's like it's from the crayfish or from what? I don't know. Let's see. Bring everything out, and then
This one is heavy.
hey, it's heavy, yeah. The smell, eh? Yeah. Bring everything out.
There's so much things from Nigeria.
Yeah. This is our African food. Okay, do you like African food?
Yes.
Yeah, my kids, they love it, so we don't choose. We eat Dutch food, we eat German food as well as our African food. So anyone can go for my kids because I do introduce like all the food from them when they are in early age. That's why they don't choose what to eat. Anything I give my kids, they'll definitely enjoy it. Yeah. So they put this Ghana must go put it out. Right here is a crayfish, guys. Look at this one here. This is the whole crayfish. Yeah. And then
Oh, that's crayfish.
yeah, this is crayfish. So
Yeah.
this one here is obono.
Crayfish is very delicious.
Yeah. And this is I have to open this one because let me open this. This is smoked fish.
Smoked fish.
Yeah, they grill it.
Can you grill it?
I have done it here before now. So wow.
Yeah, that's one.
This one, guys, look at fresh smoked fish, guys. This is plenty.
Ooh. It's not a fish.
Yeah, this is fish. Okay.
That's why they smoked fish.
Yeah, they smoke. Yeah, they have already grilled it. So this is smoked fish.
But it's cold.
Keep it aside. So this one again is crayfish as well. So we have this crayfish here as well as this one here. Oh, because this crayfish is the main thing, guys. I told my husband, I said, bitter, I need crayfish in this house, like seriously. So this is another crayfish, guys. Okay, you guys know how expensive it is to buy crayfish here, so I needed the crayfish like very, very much. This is a bonga fish, guys. Let me. This is plenty here, guys. Look at it. So let's keep it aside. And what next? What next? What is this? And this is oba, guys. Look at it. It's plenty here. Very, very plenty. So this is oba, guys. Okay. So let's keep it aside. This is another smoked fish. Let's see.
Very smoked.
Yeah. So guys, look at it. This is another smoked fish. Very fresh, guys.
Yeah.
This is ogo leaf, guys.
Ogo leaf.
Yeah. Even the one I bought in the Afro shop last time, I have not even finished using it. This is ogo leaf, guys. See how fresh this ogo leaf is. Oh my god.
Wow, it's so green and
fresh. So green and fresh. Okay, said it's so green and fresh. So let's go ahead and open this one. This is fresh ohag, direct from Niger. Hey. I'm loving this. I'm loving it. I'm super excited. This is ohag, guys. Let's see what is here. Scent leaf. Wow, look at fresh.
Fresh out of Nigeria.
Yeah. Oh, they really package, my co-wife really packaged this thing so well. Guys, let's see what is this here. I think okay, this is a grounded achi that I already grounded. Okay, this is the third pack. Oh my god, guys, this is another smoked fish. Just guess what is this. This is what was smelling over here. Like, this is what was smelling inside the bag. This is ogiri. Hey. Ogiri. Okay, do you know what is ogiri?
No.
This is a locust beans.
Huh? Locust.
Let me open it and see.
Can you cook soup with it?
Yeah, I normally use it now. You know, this is what I normally use. Say it smells. It smells, but when you put it in the soup, it's always like super lekker, super delicious. Yeah. When I was in Nigeria, I cannot cook without this.
Yeah.
So this one here is I think it has a different type. Okay, this says
Mom, I'm smelling many things.
many things. So guys, this one here is a ogriekbe. You know what is this one? Is already dried one. Thank you, my in-law, my brother-in-law, as well as my co-wifey. They really package it so well. And then this is the main ogri, guys. Look at how they package this thing. They deserve an award, guys. They really package it. Wow. Thank you. I don't know what this one is.
Auntie corn.
Okay. Ask my husband that I need this because this is dry corn. This corn is for planting, you know, for my small garden here. Oh, they really did well. My God, thank you so much. So this is the corn that I'll be planting. And then this one here is, I don't know what is this one. Guys, I just want to try like many things in my garden this year to see if they can survive. I have only planted like corn, which really survive, you know. So this time around, I just want to try different. I think this one here is water leaf seed. So this is the different seed, guys. This is okra seed, water leaf seed. Like, oh my God, they really tried. God bless them. So this is it. And then this one, let's open it. Okay.
And see it.
This thing is a pre-winky, like dried one. Hey, yeah, look at it. This is so nice. This one here is the bitter cola for my husband. Hey,
bitter cola.
My God, this is everything that I needed. Especially all this seed, guys. I really need it because I want to try as in different type of vegetable in my small garden to see if they can survive. Obviously corn survived last time that I planted it, but all this okra, garden egg seed, leaf, water leaf, those ones, I'm going to be trying it this year, guys. Oh, I'm so super excited.
Yeah, and,
Hey!
don't forget to put water.
I'm super excited about this stuff. Like, this is everything that I needed. Like, they really package it very well. Thank you everybody for watching. I hope you really enjoy unboxing this Nigerian food stuff with me. So if you are still watching up to this point, God bless you. And if today is your first time here, you are highly welcome. Please consider to subscribe, like this video, share, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be the first person to be notified. For my returning subscriber, you guys are amazing. I see you all. Thank you for always coming back to watch my video. Like, you guys are God bless every one of you. Okay, so in this junction, I'm going to leave you guys till in our next video. Okay, bye for now. Okay, say bye.
Bye. Wait.
What?
Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment.
Yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. This I don't know the quality of this video, but because we are outside and the sun is coming and going, so please pardon me. I don't know how it's gonna look, but anyhow, okay. So see you guys in our next video, guys. Bye.
This smells too much.
Because of the ogiri. It smells, yeah. Okay, this is African food for you. This is how African, so you have to be used to it, okay?
I will not feel the smell again.
You not feel the smell. You feel it, but you don't feel like it's kind of disgusting, okay?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Bye.
So bye, guys.
Bye.